Episode 367, AI Assistants and Agents Come to WordPress. WordPress has now 2 AI tools built directly into it.
The primitive forms of artificial intelligence we already have proved very useful.
AI is a golden opportunity.
How do we ensure that this technology is regulated?
The long arc of technological history is now in an extraordinary new phase.
The AI 6 podcast with Joanne Sweeney.
WordPress.com launched a built-in AI assistant inside the editor and the media library. Then, later on the 20th of March, it opened the door to AI agents like Claude, ChatGPT and Cursor, letting them draft posts, publish pages, and manage your content through plain English commands. Hello and welcome back to AI 6. As you know, if you've been a regular listener to this podcast, I'm on a mission to upskill 500,000 people in AI in just 6 minutes a day. Think of it as your media literacy. Today we're talking about the AI assistants and agents now sitting inside WordPress. WordPress powers 43% of the web, so when it moves, the internet moves with it. And this week, we installed the AI Assistant plugin into our WordPress websites, and we have 4. And we're going to monitor how they perform for us. And of course, I'll keep you updated. So in February, WordPress.com rolled out a built-in AI assistant inside the editor and the media library. You don't open up a new tab, you don't copy and paste prompts into another tool. You type into your site and it responds. According to the website TechCrunch, you can ask it to make this section feel more modern or spacious, or change my site's colours to be brighter and bolder. It rewrites bios to sound more confident, it translates entire sections into another language, and for visuals, it uses Google Gemini's Nano Banana models to generate and edit images directly inside your media library. So all of that is happening inside your WordPress dashboard. Right now, it's only available on business or commerce plans. If you're on a free or a personal plan, you do not get access. So then in March, WordPress went further. TechCrunch reported that WordPress is now letting AI agents draft, edit, and publish content on your website. They can manage comments, they can fix alt text and captions to improve SEO. They can create and restructure tags and categories across your entire site. You connect your preferred AI client, so Claude, ChatGPT, Cursor, via something called the Model Context Protocol, or MCP. Then you describe what you want and the agent builds it. So here's the scale of what's happening. WordPress.com alone gets 20 billion page views and 409 million unique visitors every month. And that's just the hosted version. The wider WordPress ecosystem, as I mentioned at the top of this episode, powers 43% of all websites on the internet. And that's according to W3 Techs. So how will we govern an AI assistant and agents within WordPress? And we know how careful we are around securing our websites. Every change requires your approval. Posts written by AI are saved as drafts by default, not published. Every action is tracked in the site's activity log. You see what the agent did, when, and why. The agent can also read your existing theme, your colours, your fonts, your spacing, your block patterns, before it creates anything new. It's designed to stay on brand and not go off-piste. And this is important. And it's the difference between a chatbot bolted onto a CMS and a system built from the ground up with human-in-the-loop review. I guess you could call it AI-first web management. So if you're a small marketing team, if you've got your own consulting agency, or you're a small business, this is going to change your financial impact overnight. You maybe no longer will need to wait on an agency to update your site or your freelance web manager. You could actually manage it yourself. One of the tasks I'm going to give my AI assistant is to optimize all of our web pages. We have hundreds, if not thousands, and really maximize my on-page SEO. So that's the first task that we're giving the assistant. Of course, if you're listening to this and you are a web manager or that's a part of your marketing or comms job, you might be worried about being displaced. I've said it before and I will continue to say it. We have to get on board with these tools. We still need a human in the loop. Just think of that on-page SEO as maybe a drudge job that you could hand over to an assistant. Well, you've got an AI one to do it. So if you've got WordPress, if you haven't heard of AI assistants or agents within WordPress.com, go and check it out. If you've been using it to date, I want to know. Send me a DM on LinkedIn or drop me an email to joanne@digitaltraining.ie and come on the long listen. That's it for today's show. If you're ready to turn these insights into skills, here's how I can help. Get your copy of my book, AI Playbook, on Amazon. It's the perfect companion to the show. For weekly AI strategy, subscribe to my newsletter, Human in the Loop, on LinkedIn. Or if you want to take the next big step, you can take our CPD accredited professional diploma in AI. Maybe you need something more tailored for your organization. You can book a call in my calendar at digitaltraining.ie. Or if you work in government or public sector, go over to publicsectormarketingpros.com. If you found this episode useful, please share it with a pro that you know. And I'd love to read your comments on Spotify. And if you can, take a second to like, rate, or subscribe wherever you listen. It really helps the show. This is AI6. I'll talk to you on the next episode.